Hello and welcome to 11 Plus DIY, a tutorial in verbal reasoning, how to solve the verbal reasoning type 18 questions. The aim of these questions is to find the pattern in a series of numbers and then apply a similar pattern to find the correct answer for the missing number. For example, find the number that best completes the series 1, 3, 5, 7. We need to find the missing number. Remember, we need to look for a pattern. It may not be obvious at first, but there is one. Let's have a look at that question again in more detail. First, we need to apply some simple solutions. We could add a value each time. We could subtract a value each time. We could multiply the numbers. We could add or subtract or multiply or divide and then add a number. Let's give it a try. So what's the relationship between 1 and 3? Well, 1 plus 2 is 3. Let's move on to the next number. What's the relationship between 3 and 5? Well, 3 plus 2 is 5. Move to the next one, 5 and 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. We can see a pattern there of 2, 2, 2. Therefore, the answer is 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. And that's a very easy one to solve. Let's have a look at another example. We have the numbers 8, 13, 19 and 26. Again, we go through our simple solutions and then try to find a pattern. So, what is the pattern between 8 and 13? How have we got from 8 to 13? Well, 8 plus 5 is 13. Could we use the same for 13 and 19? Well, 13 plus 5 equals 18. So that doesn't work. But 13 plus 6 is 19. Well, let's have a look at that again then, between 19 and 26. How have we got from 19 to 26? Well, 19 plus 7 equals 26. We can now see a pattern forming 5, 6, 7. Therefore, the answer will be 34. 26 plus 8 equals 34. The pattern has been made of 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's have a look at another example. Find the numbers that best complete the series 4, 8, 24 and 96. Again, we go through our common solutions of adding, subtracting, etc. and trying to find a pattern. So, let's have a look. How can we get from 4 to 8? We could say 4 plus 4 equals 8, but would 8 plus 4 equal 24? No. Well, what we could say is 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 times 4 is 96. And we're building up a pattern here of 2, 3, 4. So, therefore, the answer will be 480 because we'll multiply 96 by 5 to equal 480. And the pattern we built up was 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again, we have another example we can look at. Find the number that best completes the series 5, 11, 23 and 47. Again, we need to find that missing number. Go through our simple solutions, trying to find a pattern. How have we got from 5 to 11, from 11 to 23, from 23 to 47? In this one, we have done 5 times 2 plus 1 equals 11. 11 times 2 plus 1 is 23. 23 times 2 plus 1 is 47. And the pattern we've had is for each number we've been multiplying by 2 or doubling and adding 1. In some other examples we could have said 5 times another number plus another number. We have used 2 and 1. Therefore, our answer is 95. 47 times 2 plus 1 equals 95. Now let's take a look at a more complicated example. Find the number that best completes the series 91, 10, 83, 50, 75, 250, 67 and 1250. What is the missing number? Again, we apply our simple solutions looking for the obvious pattern. Now, some questions will appear to have no pattern. This is because you're probably only looking for one pattern, and there may be two. Let's have a look at this in more detail. Here we have the numbers going across the screen. What we should try and look for is an alternating pattern. Maybe there's a relationship between every other number. So is there a pattern forming between 10 and 50, 50 and 250, 250 and 1250? Also, is there a pattern between 91 and 83, 83 and 75, 75 and 67, and our missing number? So we've got our top row and our bottom row of alternating numbers. Is there a pattern? Well, looking at our top row again, 10 times 5 is 50. 50 times 5 is 250. 250 times 5 is 1250. Looking at the bottom row, 91 minus 8 is 83. 83 minus 8 is 75. 75 minus 8 is 67. Therefore, 67 minus 8 is 59. The answer to this question is 59. Remember, work through the simple solutions first, then work through trying to find a simple pattern. In some cases, there may be 2 or more patterns. In most cases, the answer will stare out at you once you have eliminated the obvious. Thank you, and you've been watching 11plusdiy.co.uk.